Stone begins to weather. Along the Seine Roman roofs soften into timber beams. Streets narrow and crowd as wooden houses rise higher. The skyline tightens, and Lutetia reshapes into medieval Paris. Gothic towers push into the mist. Scaffolding clings to rising spires, but beneath devotion and shadow, pressure gathers, the city grows dense. Beautiful, yet strained. Timber smooths into stone, streets widen slowly, yet unrest moves beneath refinement, markets swell. Voices rise and ambition expands the skyline. Royal symmetry forms, but stability begins to thin. Clouds gather sooner now. Smoke drifts across rooftops. Crowds press through widening avenues. Banners rise before the sky fully darkens. Revolution does not arrive suddenly. It builds. Walls tremble, certainty fractures, the Bastille falls as chaos overtakes order. The old structure collapses under its own weight, and Paris stands transformed by fire and resolve. From upheaval emerges design. Boulevards stretch wide in deliberate stone lines and disciplined rows. Iron rise against the horizon, modern lights replace torches, and the city evolves once more, laid luminous, enduring.